How to create Gantt chart in ClickUp. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can create Gantt chart in ClickUp. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up ClickUp.com and make sure to log in into your account. Once you're logged in, you will land on your workspace. Now, in order to create the Gantt chart, navigate to this menu bar at the top and you have to go to the Gantt view. Click on this Gantt option here. After you click on this Gantt from this option right here, now you will see this kind of interface. Now you have to add the task. There under this section, click on this drop down and you will see all kind of options, task 2, task 3. If you want to add more, click on add task. So to add your task, all you have to do is click on this task and then all you have to do is drag it onto this timeline or this schedule bar here. So in order to move this to the timeline, click on it and then simply drag it and place it wherever you like, looking upon the time and schedule at the top. For example, I just want it right here, so all you have to do is click on it. Now in order to schedule your task, again click on it. And there you go, you have your task for April 25. If you want to edit it, you have to click on it and from here you can edit your task as well. If you scroll down a bit, there you have section for custom field, subtask, checklist, attachment as well. So you can edit some of the settings right here. And once you're done with that, you have your Gantt chart where you can see your project workflows over the time. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.